We're tracking a few strong and severe storms earlier this afternoon. Most of that activity has moved off of the coast, but we still have the potential for a few stronger storms over the next few hours. Stepping outside right now, taking a look at downtown Savannah. We can see a lot of sunshine in that view. The sunset today is at 7:59 in Savannah. Temperature-wise, before the storms developed, we were able to warm into the middle and upper 90s for many locations. 96 the high temperature for Savannah, a little bit above normal, but thankfully nowhere near the record of 101 set back in 1938. Officially no rain at the airport, but that rain was fairly heavy more toward the coast, and you can see where that rainfall occurred, where we do have cooler temperatures in the 80s to lower 90s. Inland communities so far staying pretty dry. It's currently still in the upper 90s for several locations. Viper radar is starting to settle down for Chatham County and into the low country, but down the road in McIntosh County, that's where we are tracking some pockets of heavy rain and even a pretty intense cell in northern Glenn County, about to cross over the Altamaha River and make its way into McIntosh County. So some strong and breezy winds are possible from that. More storms are expected for Tuesday, with a more unsettled pattern setting up for Wednesday and Thursday. And even with that, temperatures will be able to warm into the lower and middle 90s for the next several afternoons. For Friday and into the weekend, so a few storms possible, but a drier pattern will begin to emerge on Sunday and into Monday of next week. We have a stationary boundary draped across the southeast that's helping to bring in some extra moisture. That is also adding some extra lift to the atmosphere, so that will lead to scattered showers and storms and the potential for a few strong and severe storms across the coastal empire, low country, South Georgia, and of course the Florida Panhandle. So scattered storms Tuesday afternoon and into the evening hours, with damaging wind being the primary concern out of any of the severe storms that may develop. Heavy rain is going to be a concern as well for the next several days. The timing for Tuesday will be between around lunchtime and into the early evening hours. Tomorrow morning starts off dry with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Then it's in the mid-afternoon hours when the showers and storms become a little bit more numerous, and we have that potential for a few stronger storms setting up. But then as we lose the daytime heating, just a few showers possible into the evening hours, drying out overnight Wednesday morning with a bit of sunshine early in the day. Temperatures in the middle and upper 70s, but climbing quickly to the 80s and 90s before lunchtime, and then by 2 and 3 o'clock, that's when the storms really become more widespread on Wednesday, with widespread heavy rain possible through 6 and 7 o'clock, even 8 and 9 o'clock, still some showers around, but finally by 10 and 11, conditions will begin to dry out for us again. However, an unsettled pattern remains for Thursday. For tonight, 76 degrees with a few evening storms possible, and then for tomorrow, we will be warming up into the middle 90s for many of us before those thunderstorms start to fire off during those afternoon hours. 94 for Savannah, 96 for Glenville and Vidalia, so definitely a toasty afternoon and a humid afternoon. Feels like temperatures approaching 105 at times. For the boaters, keep an eye at the sky with those thunderstorms. South wind 5 to 10 knots, giving us seas right around 2 feet. Storm chances get a little bit higher for Wednesday and Thursday. Highs in the lower 90s for most of us. Same thing for Friday and Saturday, with those storm chances tapering off a little bit. But either way, each and every day, make sure you do keep an eye to the sky for those showers and storms. Have the umbrella handy and also the water bottle, because it remains hot even with the storms.
We had quite the show on Saturday night.
It really was.
That was amazing. Wow. Thank you.